Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this COVID-19 pandemic, when people are stuck at various places in the world and of course they are not preferring to travel, a very important point exists for permanent residents of Canada, those who are out of Canada. So guys, if you are a citizen of Canada, you are allowed to live anywhere in the world for any duration of time. There's no problem. But the same is not true for Canadian permanent residents. Although you enjoy almost equal rights, except a few, as Canadian citizens, but when it comes to the stay, you know that in order to renew your permanent resident status, out of 5 years, you got to stay 2 years in Canada. So if you are outside of Canada, make sure that you are not falling behind this requirement. Because if you do, then after your card is expired, you you will not be able to get a PRTD, and without a PRTD, you won't be able to uh, come into Canada as a permanent resident, which could be a disaster for many. I know most of the people consider this, but there are people who become ignorant of their status and then ultimately they regret. So I don't want you guys to fall into this issue. So check it out. If this is applicable in your case, then find it out and based on that you make your plans. I know we are under the second wave and this is even deadlier than the first wave with the number of cases we see all around. But hopefully things will improve from here because vaccinations has been started, and I'm hoping that after Pfizer we even get Moderna vaccine approved in Canada along with some other candidates. And why I'm saying more candidates, because if more brands, more dosages are available, means more people are gonna get vaccinated. So hopefully things improve from now, but yes, make sure you understand this point. Thank you.